Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will know how to track your business finance in the simplest way without confusion, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Most business owners think finance tracking is complicated. Spreadsheets, software, accounting terms, and confusing reports scare them away. In this video, we're sharing how to track business finance without complexity using a simple system 90% of small business owners never follow. Track one thing first: cash in versus cash out. The simplest way to track business finance is to focus on just one thing at the beginning: cash coming in and cash going out. Forget profit, taxes, or complex reports for now. If you clearly see how much money enters your business and how much leaves it, you already understand 70% of your finances. Most beginners make the mistake of tracking too many things at once, which creates confusion and frustration. Start by choosing one place to track everything. This can be a simple notebook, a basic spreadsheet, or even a notes app. Every time money comes into your business, write it down. This includes sales, client payments, service fees, or any other income. Write the date, the amount, and the source. That's it. Now, do the same for money going out. Track rent, software subscriptions, raw materials, advertising, utilities, salaries, and even small expenses like coffee meetings. Small expenses matter because they quietly add up. Write the date, the amount, and what the money was used for. Keep it honest and consistent. At the end of each week, do a 5-minute review. Add up total cash in and total cash out. If more money came in than went out, you are positive for the week. If more money went out than came in, you are negative. This simple comparison tells you whether your business is moving forward or slowly draining cash. Many business owners say, "I'm busy, I don't have time." But this habit takes less time than scrolling social media. The benefit is massive. You stop guessing. You stop feeling anxious about money. You start making decisions with confidence. Once you build this habit, you will naturally become more aware of spending patterns. You will notice which expenses are necessary and which ones are optional. You will also see which income sources are reliable and which ones are inconsistent. This awareness alone can improve your business decisions without adding any complexity. Separate business money from personal money. One of the biggest reasons business finance feels confusing is because personal money and business money are mixed together. When this happens, you never know how your business is actually performing. Start by opening a separate bank account for your business. It does not need to be fancy or expensive. From today onward, all business income should go into this account, and all business expenses should be paid from this account. Next, decide how money moves between the business and you. Instead of randomly taking money out whenever you need it, set a simple rule. For example, pay yourself once a week or once a month. This becomes your personal income. If you are a solo business owner, this habit is even more important. Many beginners treat the business account like a personal wallet. This creates hidden problems. You may think the business is profitable, but in reality, it might be surviving only because you keep injecting personal money into it, or the opposite may happen. Separation also makes tracking easier. When you review your business account, every transaction tells a business story. This saves time and reduces mental stress. Use simple expense categories that make sense. You do not need dozens of categories. Instead, use 5 basic categories: operating costs, rent, internet, phone bills, software, tools, utilities. Cost to deliver product or service, raw materials, packaging, freelancer payments, production costs, marketing and sales, ads, website hosting, content creation, promotions. People costs, salaries, contractor payments, commissions, fixed commitments, loans, insurance, long-term subscriptions. At the end of the month, review totals for each category. You will quickly see where most of your money is going. This gives you actionable insight instead of confusion. Create a 10-minute weekly finance routine. Pick one fixed day every week. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Check your business bank balance. Is it higher or lower than last week? Review income received. Confirm expected payments arrived. Scan expenses for anything unusual. Update your cash in and cash out totals. Write down one small financial action for the next week. Follow up on an unpaid invoice. Delay a non-essential expense, or plan a small sales push. Consistency is more important than complexity. Track only 3 numbers to know if your business is healthy: cash balance, money available right now; weekly cash flow, difference between money coming in and going out; monthly fixed costs, the amount needed for your business to survive each month. These 3 numbers act like a simple dashboard. You do not need complicated reports to feel in control. The goal of finance tracking is not perfection, it is awareness. When you understand your numbers, you naturally make better decisions. Business finance becomes simple when you focus on what truly matters. Start small, stay consistent, and let clarity replace complexity. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.